how to pay using GGIVES in Lazada. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is open Lazada on your device and make sure that you're signed into your account. Now in here, go ahead and head over to your cart. Now on your cart, go ahead and select the items that you want to check out from your cart. So go ahead and click on that checkout button once you have selected the specific items that you want to check out. Now in the payment method section, go ahead and select Gcash e-wallet. Click on that place order button and this will pop up on your screen where you need to link your Lazada account to your Gcash account. So you'll need to enter your mobile number into this section. Hit on the next button to proceed with the next step. After that, you'll need to enter the OTP sent by Gcash to you. Confirm this action. And in this section, you'll need to enter your Gcash PIN to proceed. Now after this, you'll need to authorize the connection between your Gcash account and your Lazada. Head back into your Lazada application. Now once you have linked your Lazada account with your Gcash account, make sure to select Gcash as your payment method. Now once you check out your items, you'll get redirected into a page where you'll be able to select how you want to pay Gcash on Lazada. Now if you have GGIVES enabled for your Gcash account, you can simply select GGIVES and check out that specific item. So that's basically how you can pay using GGIVES in Lazada. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.